Today I will start your chapter number 2, that is table in Microsoft Access. So in this chapter we will study about Microsoft Access. So before starting Microsoft Access, we should know about Microsoft Access database, table record and such thing. So let's start about database, Microsoft Access and some related topics, that is related tables. So let's see Microsoft Access. It is a powerful database software that allow us to create, manage and process data in the form of table. Each specific piece of information is known as value, means a value is located at the intersection of row and column, that is in the table. The file name will be saved with ACCDB extension. So if the name of file is Amit, so the full file name with extension is amit.accdb. In earlier version it's MCB, but after 2007 and 2010 version it's only ACCDB. So let's see the database. Database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allow access, retrieval and use of the data. So let's see about software, database software. Database software that allow us to create a computerized database, add, change, delete, sorting and retrieving data from database, create form and report using data in database. So these all tasks can be performed only in database software, and DBMS is a database software. Anytime we create a method for sorting and organizing information in a table, that is only due to database software. So let's see database. A database consists of collection of tables organized in a row and columns. So let's see about rows. What is rows? Rows in a table called record contain information about a particular person, means a product or event. Now let's see column. Column in a table called field contain specific piece of information within record. Now come to table. Table structure define the fields and record entered by user, and each table should have a single well defined purpose. In table, one field should be unique to each record to differentiate between them. So that is called primary key, means each record should be differentiate uniquely. So these are the theoretical portion of Microsoft Access, means database software. Let's see how to start Microsoft Access. So we will go to the computer and let's see how to start. We go to start button and we type MS Access. We type MS Access and we see MS Access software, that is version 2007. So Microsoft Access will be open. Now we will create blank database. So there will be a file name लिखने के लिए आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. So we will write the file name Amit and we type on create. Once we click on create button, our database is going to be open. Already a file name Amit is there, so let's replace that file. So that is the interface of Microsoft Access. So we have to first see the windows, that is title bar. Title bar means the file name. Title bar, that is title bar means file name dot extension. Then file tab, that is file tab, home tab, create tab, external data, database, data sheet. These are called file tab. Each tab have different groups. That is, home tab have views, clipboard, font, rich text, record, sort and filter, find. So these are the groups, and that is ribbon in each tab. Each tab have a ribbon. So I am showing all tab ribbons. So these are the ribbons. Now we will see the dialog box, that is launcher. First we will go to create option. If we want to create table, and already we have a table, so we going to design this table. So we will click on the table, right click of the table to design view. So it asks for the name, so we can write the name of table AMIT Amit T1, means table 1. Then click OK. Then that is the table in design view. The table is opened now in design view. And now what we have to do, we have to write the field. Means first we remove the primary key. Now we will write the field, roll number, and data type. Data type should be number. Description, roll number of student, roll number of students. Then name should be text. Name of student, that is name of student. And next is fee should be number, and that is fee record of student, fee record of students. And next field will be address, and that will be memo and address of student. So this is the record, and first we will see this video only how to save. We will click on the close button, then the dialog box will be appear. Then we can save our table while clicking S. So our table is now created. So we have to enter the information. So click open only. Click open. Our table entry is going to be started. Roll number 1, name Amit, fees 1200, address Devariya. Second, Bhanu, that is 500, that is Gorakhpur. Next record, roll number 7, 5, I have taken 5, Ashutosh, that is 1300, that is Delhi. So this is the record, and that is called record selector. So this is the video of simply how to create a table in Microsoft Access. So let's see class and learn, and